close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. Here you can see this is Samsung single door refrigerator. Coming to inside, here you can see now fridge is in on condition, but you can't observe because its bulb is not working. Here you can see now fridge is in on condition, but there is no cooling, nothing. Now this fridge is in fully dead condition. So let us see what is the problem in this refrigerator. Let's coming to back side. Here you can see this is the inverter refrigerator, and here you can see inverter compressor. Friends, when you are turning on this refrigerator, the compressor will start, but suddenly it will turn off and giving error like 3 times blinking. So this problem is mainly due to compressor, or else this is a problem in this IBM module. In this 3 time blinking error, there is two possibility. One is compressor piston jump, otherwise there is a inverter board IBM module problem. So now I have one new board, so now I am going to replace that board with the new one and check whether it is the compressor problem or else the problem is in the inverter board. So let's see. So now I am going to replace this board. Friends, now I replaced the board. I got a problem in board itself. Now our fridge working in perfect condition. So the main problem is in the board IPM IC. That IC is not available in the market. So we have to replace the board itself. After replacing the board, this fridge is working properly. So our compressor is in good condition. If after replacing the board, fridge is not working, our problem is in the compressor itself. We have to change the compressor. So in our case, our problem is in the board. So I replaced the board. Now fridge got repaired. Here you can see the cooling. Friends, here you can see now fridge is cooling properly. Here you can see the ice formation also. Yeah, you can see. So in this way we can fix our 3 time blinking problem. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.